Well, family, it usually starts with coffee. I had my coffee this morning. It's hot out here, humid. So today, it started with Bud Light. Woo, that's good and cold. Bud Light. The sponsor for today is Bud Light. Sorry, Community Coffee. You have to catch me next time in the morning. Let's get this video started.
You got me dancing in the dark. I close my eyes, but I won't sleep tonight. Baby, you should come with me. I'll take you to the dark side. Me and you and me, do bad things in the nighttime. Baby, you should come with me, and we can kill a light with the lights, let it black out, hit the lights, let it black out, black out. Black earth, black moon, black sky, black light, black everything, black.
Hello once again, family. We back with Black Night again. Of course, I'm doing many projects, and like I said, it's humid out here and hot, so good workout for me. But we do have something that came in for Black Night. It's not an upgrade mod, it's something he needed. He needed it bad, and we finally got to come in. So other than that, let's get to the video. As y'all can see, Black Knight is off the ground, front wheels off the ground, so you know what that means. When it's off the ground, it's time for some work. Let's get to it. Okay, y'all can see the box right there for beside Black Knight, what came in. So we're gonna back this camera up a little bit, and we're gonna go over there and open them up, and y'all can see what Black Knight have. We have the new brake caliper. As y'all can see, brand new brake caliper for Black Knight, and they gave us hardware, which y'all remember we got the brake shoes with that. So because I ordered my other brake shoes, hold on. Anyway, we're gonna paint these. So I might have to paint them today and put them on tomorrow, but y'all put all the videos together so we get back. And once again, there's a plane going across here messing up my video, like always. So anyway, we'll get back with y'all. Okay, family, so what we were saying, what we're gonna do is go ahead and paint them, and we'll bring the videos together because it's gonna take time to dry. And my brake, the brand new brakes I got, the ceramic brakes, pads haven't came in yet. So actually I'm gonna have to do more work and take these back off again. But I need this on because they're not going to be here by next week, and I'm going up there, as y'all told y'all about the video, for a takeover. So I got to have my brake calipers on. That's why y'all seeing all these videos, because I'm doing all this stuff at one time on the weekend before I go back out, which I have to leave back out Sunday. So it only gave me 2 days to do all this stuff to the cars, which was Friday and Saturday. So I'm really pushing it. I'm tired, but me, y'all know me, I'm going to get it done. I want my stuff right. So let's go into getting these things painted. So now we're going to take the two front wheels off since we got it up off the ground. So let's get it. Y'all can see right there, we do got the new calipers painted right there. So we're gonna put them on. They're not completely dry, but wanted to show you about this caliper. Let me get the light back over here. It's simple, as y'all can see, or y'all might couldn't see what I was doing in the back, but you see that line right there? That was the brake line right there, and then there's a bolt here and a bolt here, and that's all that holds this brake caliper on. So it's simple. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new one back on and go from there. All right, now we got everything, all the brake calipers off, the old ones. So let's go ahead back and reverse and put it back together again. Okay, family, there you have it. not too bad of a job. Brand new rotary, brand new brake caliper we installed. Y'all see it was simple. Basically take it off the same way, put it back on the same way you take it off. We're gonna do the other side, but not today. We'll get finished that tomorrow. And as I said, we got more stuff coming for Black Knight, so stay tuned. With that said, I think we're gonna end this video. Like I said, I try to help people out that's trying to do stuff to their cars and everything, so I show what I do on my cars and trucks and everything. So if you want to learn a lot of different stuff and how to work on it, subscribe to my channel. Other than that, with that said, y'all, we're going to end this video, and y'all know what it is. Stay in life, baby. We out of here. Peace.
Shadows fall over my heart. I black out the moon. I wait for